Peyton, there was no denial from Markus Guy today that he shot and killed his girlfriend's mother and brother, but he took the stand this afternoon to talk about and actually physically demonstrate what happened and why he's arguing that this was all done in self-defense. Now, Guy testified that he stayed with his girlfriend, her mother, Alicia Carnifex, and her 14-year-old brother, Coda Jarrett, in St. Albans. But on February 6th last year, he took his girlfriend, Shelby Frazier, to the Hampton Inn in Southridge for her birthday. However, when she left him to go get alcohol with a friend and was gone for an hour, he became upset and left to go get his things from St. Albans, saying he wanted to go spend time with his mother and his kids. He said when he got back to the house to get his stuff, Carnifex asked him where Shelby was. When he said he didn't know, she said she attacked him and jumped on his back, choking him. He said he almost lost consciousness, so he shot her from over his shoulder twice, and he demonstrated this to the jury with his defense attorney, Mark Plants. He also demonstrated how he shot Jarrett, who he says confronted him in the doorway trying to get the gun from him. Guy says he shot Jarrett twice, worried that the 14-year-old was trying to avenge his mother's death. He says when he got back with Frazier that night, he confessed to her what he did and told his mother the next day before turning himself in to police.
I leave the house and I'm just driving around and I'm frantic. I don't know what to do. And then that's when Shelby called me saying that she lost her friend and she couldn't get a hold of anybody.
Now, in cross-examination, prosecutors pointed out that his story did not match the ballistic or the bullet trajectory for either Carnifex or Jarrett, who both died by 2 gunshot wounds. Experts and investigators testified earlier today that they would have had to have been down on the ground, and there was no evidence on them or on Guy that there was any kind of struggle or choking. Now, both sides have officially rested their cases, which means tomorrow morning the jury will return for instructions, and then closing arguments will begin. Live here in Charleston, Anna Saunders, Eyewitness News.